Hi, this is John with WTI and with one of the best umbrellas I've ever had in my life. This is the Repel Windproof Umbrella. This umbrella is just sturdy, easy to carry into different places. You're going to feel so secure with this umbrella because it's just built like a tank. It has a great build function that it has this little button that once you release it, it's gonna open the umbrella, or if you push the button again, it's gonna retract again. So the things that I like about this is that the fabric and the outside is easy to dry. It's gonna be water repellent. So whenever you take the umbrella and you close it, it's not going to be wet whenever you're going to use it again. It's gonna repel all that water and it's going to feel like you have a dry umbrella really ready to go with you. It has this little strap here that you can put it in your wrist if you're gonna be walking into long distances like I do with an umbrella. And so if you're looking for a great, sturdy, and at the same time build quality and durable umbrella, this Repel is gonna do great for you. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.